In this video, I will guide you through a problem in Smith's Organic Chemistry. I'm Stoddard, founder of Study Chem, the place for students to turn for higher grades in OChem. Let's get started. In this problem, we're asked to name each of the following ethers. We have an oxygen bounded to two carbon atoms that are both sp3 hybridized. And we just want to name the substituents here. So this is called a methyl group. Over here, 4 carbons is butane. So that's a butyl group. To name the compound, we alphabetize the substituents. So B comes before M in the alphabet, so we just name this butyl methyl ether. Now, for this compound, let's pretend like it's a more complex substituent. So rather than naming this as a cyclohexyl group and a methyl group, let's name this whole thing as a substituent of a more complex molecule. So the parent chain here is cyclohexane. So that would be the parent or the last name of this compound. And up here circled, we have a CH3O or OCH3. That's methoxy. So there's nothing else here, and we don't really need to use a number to say where that's attached. So the name for this compound is just going to be methoxycyclohexane. Okay, so cyclohexane is the parent group, and methoxy is the substituent that's attached to the ring. Okay. Here in this compound, we have, again, let's name the substituents. This is a propyl group. It has 3 carbons. Okay, 3 carbon length chain here is propyl as well. And so rather than saying propyl-propyl ether, since both of these substituents are the same, we could name it dipropyl ether. Thank you for watching.